Hi, do you want to create an awesome website using React.js with tons of amazing features? Or do you want to learn React.js while converting a PSD template to modern professional website? My name is Shupriyo. By qualification, I'm a computer science engineer, and by profession, I'm a web developer and graphics designer. Here in Udemy, I have over 25 courses and more than 1.5 lakh awesome students have already enrolled in my courses. I'll be your instructor here in this course. The website that we are going to create has awesome, amazing features. Let's take a look at few of them. Animated slider with Ken burn effect. And yes, no paid plugins are being used for creating this slider. Dynamic header rendering differently in homepage and in other pages. Not only header, but also we are going to implement conditional rendering of sections rendering differently in homepage and also for its inner main pages. We are going to cover geolocation in React. Where creating this website, we are going to do a fun project where you will see your location in Google Map that we are going to render here in this website. Efficient state management using REDUX toolkit and React Redux. Working with modern technologies like Swiper.js, Anime.js, and not to forget Bootstrap 5. Working with React Router, which is really very handy for creating single page applications. We are also going to cover form validation in React. You will also become master in creating awesome layouts, as we are going to implement different layout ideas in this website. So if you want to learn creating websites using React for yourself or for your clients with jam-packed features, this course is for you. Everything is explained in detail, and also if you have any issue understanding some concept, feel free to let me know via QA section or you can even message me. So why waiting? Enroll now and take your first step to master converting PSD template to React websites. Now take a look at the course description and I look forward to see you inside.